G'day guys, it's Nathan here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about roof reseals. Now, it is a very big problem that a lot of people don't even know is going on inside their caravan. If you've got a ladder at home, you can definitely get up, have a look at your silicone on the roof. If it's starting to feather on the edges or lift up at all, it's definitely a sign that it's going to need to be replaced, and it will cause lots of leaks and lots of further damage as well. Roof reseals aren't all just about water coming in and, oh no, my table got wet. It damages walls, it rots out the timber, it stops you from putting on any extra accessories you'd like to mount, and it becomes a big job to repair. So guys, if you've got any small or big water leak, come on down to AllBrand Caravan Services. We'll take a look at it, we'll identify where it's leaking from and rectify the problem for you. Have a great day.